Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Are you ready to elevate your large format printing to a whole new level of precision, speed, and whisper-quiet operation? Because today, we're taking an in-depth look at a true game changer, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 36-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter. This isn't just a printer. It's a productivity powerhouse designed for professionals who demand excellence. Whether you're in architecture, engineering, construction, or even graphic design, prepare to be impressed. First up, let's talk about print quality and the revolutionary 5-color LUCIA TD pigment ink system. This isn't your average inkjet. The TM-305 utilizes 5 high-quality pigment inks that deliver incredibly sharp lines and text, vibrant colors, and exceptional detail on everything from CAD drawings to stunning posters. What does this mean for you? It means your technical documents will have crisp, legible fine lines that don't smudge, even when highlighted. Your presentations will pop with vivid graphics that grab attention. And here's the kicker. These prints are highly water-resistant and UV stable, ensuring your valuable output stands the test of time, whether it's an outdoor banner or an archival drawing. Imagine not having to worry about accidental spills ruining a critical blueprint, or your presentation fading after a few weeks. That's the peace of mind the TM-305 brings to your workflow. Next, let's address a common pain point with large format printers: noise. Most plotters sound like small jet engines, right? Well, prepare for a revelation with the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305's remarkably quiet operation. Canon has engineered this machine with an innovative acoustic design that drastically reduces operational noise. We're talking about a printer that's 60% quieter than previous models. In a busy office environment, this is a monumental benefit. No more disruptive whirring and clunking interrupting your concentration or client calls. You can place this printer right in your workspace without it becoming a distraction. It fosters a more productive, serene work atmosphere, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters, getting the job done without unnecessary noise pollution. It's a game changer for open-plan offices and smaller studios alike. Finally, let's dive into productivity and ease of use, because what good is a powerful printer if it's a nightmare to operate? The TM-305 is built for efficiency. It boasts impressive print speeds, allowing you to churn out large format documents quickly, which is critical when you're up against tight deadlines. But speed isn't its only virtue. Canon has designed this plotter to be incredibly user-friendly. From its intuitive touchscreen display to its front-loading roll paper system and flat stacking basket, every aspect is streamlined for maximum convenience. Changing paper is a breeze, and retrieving your finished prints is effortless. It also comes with Canon's free Poster Artist Lite software, making it incredibly simple to create professional-looking posters and signs without needing advanced graphic design skills. This means less time wrestling with technology and more time dedicated to your core projects, saving you valuable hours and reducing frustration. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 truly is a phenomenal piece of equipment that offers unparalleled print quality, a significantly quieter operation, and exceptional productivity. It's an investment that pays dividends in reliability, professional output, and a more harmonious work environment. If you're serious about your large format printing and want to upgrade to a device that truly supports your professional aspirations, this is the one to get. Ready to transform your printing workflow? Don't just take my word for it. Find the link in the description below to learn more about the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 and see how it can empower your